This is the horrific scenes of a train crash that has left more than 280 dead in India. More than 1,000 rescuers frantically worked through the night, wading through wreckage, trying to get to the hundreds still trapped in the rubble. In what is now India's deadliest rail disaster in decades. Eyewitnesses describe nightmare scenes as bodies are lifted out of the debris. More than 900 people have been injured in the accident, which took place in the eastern state of Odisha. Officials say the disaster happened after a passenger train derailed on Friday night. Up to 12 of the train's coaches fell onto a nearby track, which was then hit by another passenger train coming from the opposite direction. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his condolences to the families of the bereaved. Earlier, he visited the site to meet with emergency services and assess the situation. Despite government efforts to improve rail safety, hundreds of accidents occur every year in India's railways. Most accidents have been blamed on human error or outdated signalling equipment,